Okay, start. Only one speaker. Will not exchange.
The periodic table has 18 bits and
Quiet.
the periodic table has 18 bits and 7 periods.
So explain it. Which side is metal, which side is non-metal?
Type metal, non-metal, and metalloid.
No, metalloid is in the middle. How many elements are discovered so far? All those things you have to say. Which are the noble gas? Which are 99 series?
The one in pink is the noble gas, and the one in yellow are metals.
How are they arranged? Try to explain lots of things you can do. You can say.
These are the S9 and element 9.
So what periodic table is this one? Modern periodic table or?
Modern periodic.
So how are they arranged? Is it according to atomic mass or atomic number?